Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the display touchscreen assembly speaker on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a suction cup capable of moving up to 80 pounds. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the right side refrigerator door and remove the upper door bin if necessary. Detach the screw cover, then use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the display touchscreen assembly mounting screw from the door liner. Next, attach the suction cup to the upper face of the touchscreen. Hold the door in place and pull to detach the touchscreen. Lift the bottom edge of the assembly out of the door and disconnect the 3 wire connectors to fully remove the assembly. Set the assembly face down on a towel or blanket. Lift the speaker straight up to detach. Peel back the tape securing the wiring. Then disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old speaker. To install the new display touchscreen assembly speaker, align it on the posts on the rear of the touchscreen assembly and connect the wire connector to the control board. Secure the wiring under the tape. Reinstall the display touchscreen assembly by first reconnecting the 3 wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the back of the touchscreen. Align the bottom edge in the door first, then push the screen into position. Open the door and rethread the mounting screw to secure the assembly. Snap the screw cover into place. Replace the door bin, if applicable. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.